some people earn millions in their lifetime and still struggle financially, while some build wealth steadily. The difference is not income, but habits, decision, and how money is being managed. In this video, I will be sharing some of the biggest reasons why many Nigerians do not build wealth and what they can do differently. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you're able to gain some of the reasons why many Nigerians do not build wealth and what they can do. Number one is increase in lifestyle when income increases. So a whole lot of people increases their lifestyle when income increases. As mean now you are earning 100,000, you are earning 200,000. So immediately they increase your salary or your money to 800,000. You see yourself increasing your expenses. That is when you will buy new phone, the latest phone in town. That is when you will buy the latest car in town. Even if the one you are using is very, very okay, because the salary has increased, you want to upgrade, you want to live like your friends. Another one is you are living in a good apartment, so you want a bigger house, you want to live in, you are living in self-con, or maybe you are living in a 3-bedroom bungalow. Then when that money increases, you want to level up, you want to increase your lifestyle, you want to live in duplex. So by the time you started living all that kind of lifestyle, you will not even have enough to invest, knowing that only expenses, lifestyle can reduce your wealth. High lifestyle cannot make you rich, because you won't be able to save, you won't be able to invest. So this is the reason why many Nigerians do not build wealth, because they prefer living the kind of life their friends are living. Your friend is living in a mansion, so you want to be like him or her. So lifestyle can make you to be financially struggling. So try as much as you can to reduce your lifestyle if your money increases. The second one is financial education. Many people don't have financial education. Yes, they know how to work, they know how to do businesses, they don't know how to save money, they don't know how to invest or in some of the things that can make that money grow. Only the knowledge they have is how to work, how to do businesses. So if you keep working and working without investing your money, without making that your money grow, you can never be wealthy. So these are some of the reasons why many Nigerians do not grow wealth. The third thing that makes many Nigerians not to grow wealth is lack of investing. Yes, you have the money, but you don't invest. Yeah, you keep savings, remembering that only savings cannot make you rich, because as you are saving the money without reinvesting it, the money keeps depreciating in value over time. Because as the money is in that your bank, an idle fund without yielding anything, without putting it into work, that money keeps reducing in value. This is the reason why many Nigerians do not grow wealth. So if you are making the money, also try as much as you can to invest. Some of the wealth builders know that by investing the money in treasury bills, in real estate, in landed properties, in mutual funds, as they invest it in those places, their money keep growing, their money keep compounding. But those people that are making money do not know anything about investment. What they know is about to make the money, to save the money without putting it to work for them. If you invest the money, that money will be working for you while you relax. So these are some of the reasons why many Nigerians do not grow wealth. The fourth reason why many Nigerians do not grow wealth is lack of patience. Yes, you invested money today and you want it to grow in 2 weeks' time. It doesn't work like that. That's why a lot of them maybe endanger their funds, because somebody has promised them, as they invest 1 million, in 2 weeks' time they will get 5 million. So they will rush without making a research on the authenticity of that information. They will just invest their money. Money will just go like that. In 2 weeks' time, in 3 weeks' time, without the money growing, the money will just go like that. Thereby, the money they have saved keep wasting because it's not yielding anything. Yes, patience can make people not to wait. So if you invest money, wait for that money to grow patiently, because if this quick syndrome of making money can make the money you have saved for life to vanish, which means you have to start afresh. The fifth reasons why many Nigerians do not grow well is because of fear of losing their money. Yeah, it is good to be scared of losing money. Then keeping it is also more riskier, because as you keep, you don't know what will happen tomorrow. So try as much as you can to invest that money you have. Invest it in anything that you know that can give you return on investment, because you have a whole lot of them. You have land, you have treasury bills, you have shares, you have mutual funds. So these are the good places you can invest your money, and you see that money working for you. So if you keep it, that money will keep depreciating in value. It will keep depreciating in value without you earning anything. So these are some of the various reasons why many Nigerians do not grow well. And I believe that if these are some of the things, if you put it in practice, you see yourself growing money, you see yourself making good money. So a whole lot of people do not invest. Yes, they make the money, but they don't invest it. They don't yield it, don't use it for anything tangible. So if you have watched this video till this end, what are some of these challenges do you prefer or do you practice in growing your wealth? Please share your thoughts in the comment section so that other people can learn from you. Do not forget to subscribe with Finance and Grow with Ngozi for more financial tips, investment tips, and also business tips for you to grow financially. My name is Ngozi, your financial advisor, product manager, and a chartered risk manager. If you do watch this video to the end, kindly share it for your network to gain value. See you and God bless you. Bye.